I was vibing in the studio to some Afrobeat type beat on YouTube when I noticed something. Some of the hardest Afrobeat out there are beat on just 2 chords. That got me thinking, can I make a fire Afrobeat using only 2 chords? Well, today we are putting this to the test. Let's see what we can cook up. I want to go with a slow tempo, not too slow, maybe 97. And first plugin is going to be Serum. And there's a preset that I saved lately called this one. Let's see. Normally when you're creating 2 chord beat, you can use a simple chord and then a 7th or a 9th chord. So I think I'm gonna go with a B minor, and then we can jump to a F minor, like minor 7. That sounds nice. I think let's create the chord. I'm going to write them, and then you go to F, and that's one. And then this one is the 7. That sounds good. We copy the low note so we can have them as the bass note, so we can have them as our low note. And let's play with the chord Alt or Alt X so we can lower them a little bit, just like that. And we want to lower those two. That sounds smoother. Okay, now I think I'm going to use Analog Lab. I didn't use this plugin for quite some time now, but you know, this plugin has a lot of crazy R&B bank out there, and I have one of the bank called Astral. I'm going to use this preset called Syrup, and I'm going to edit and then lower the treble a little bit. So now we will have, let's lower it a little bit again. That's it. We copy the same chord progression and we pass it here. Sound nice already. Okay, I think I have an idea. Let me load labs. There we are. Okay. And the next thing is going to write it to a mixer track, and then we add some reverb. I want to add the vanilla shimmer on it. Okay, we duplicate it, and I'm gonna remove this one, and right there I'm gonna change this like that, and then now we have sound nice. And now we bring another serum preset. Let's clone this one and let's find a bass. This one is a free bank for serum. You can just go to Echo Soundwork and then you will find it. Let me use, I think, the Vega bass. I love this one so much, and I want to add some sub in it. Let me transpose 1 octave, another one. Now we are going to copy the same low note, we pass it to this one, but I want to transpose this 1 octave higher, and then I want to have 1 octave higher. Okay. Okay, that sounds good. And the next thing is going to complete the melody. I think I'm gonna go to Splice to try to find some nice vocal chop. There are some that are already download. Maybe some of them will work. I think we can go with this one. No, I don't think so. Okay, I think I want this one. I think I'm gonna go with this one too, but first let's start with this. I want it to be only 4 bars, but always put your sample on stretch pull when you're messing with it. I want it to be like 4 bars, and then I am going to take this right there, and then okay, sound nice. Let's see what we can do with this one. This one is D sharp. If you are on D sharp, that means we are going to transpose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 minus 500. I think this and this doesn't goes together. Let's see this one. This one is on F sharp minor. We transpose maybe 400. That is going to be on. Sorry. We have to take this one and stretch pull. We transpose like. Okay. This one I'm just going to cut it here and see what we get. And then we have. We can either use this one or we use this, you know. That's fire. Okay, I think I wanna add some drum because I know guys you want to hear the vibe. Once we add this drum, I think it's going to be fire. Let's go to the AfrobeatTutorial bundle volume 2. By the way, I'm going to link this in the description box, and go to Afrobanger, and we go to drum loop. Let's see. Not this one. Okay, let's use this one. I'm gonna go to the stems, and then we drag everything in there. Okay, let's see. I think I don't need the kick. I'm going to create my own kick. I use this too much. I overuse it. I don't want it. Let's say that way. Okay, let's have this like there, and we can duplicate it. I don't want this, so let's remove this. Okay, now we can add a kick. I am going to go to the maybe Afrobanger. Yeah, let's see if we can find a kick. Maybe let's use. I might use the same kick. Yeah, like. Okay, now we use the God particle, so we can have. That's fire. Okay, I have an idea. I don't know if it's gonna be good, but let's say that we add some log drum, but not a lot, just 2 log. I think tum, 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 like we just play. Nice. Nice. Woo. Let's see what. No. Okay, I have another idea. We can use maybe the CRX keyboard and use this preset called Sig Organ. Make it a little bit long like that. Maybe another octave. I think it's too short. Let's make it longer. Woo! But this one we definitely need to add some reverb on it. I might use the Fruity Convolver. Okay, also I wanna add more on the low end of the instrument, so maybe we go to preset and let's use this bass right there. It's like we're going to complete the log drum. Yeah. Guys, I love the vibe. It is fire. I think now we can try to find an hi-hat. Normally, I love to use hi-hat from Fire. And let's see if we can find an open hi-hat. Let me go to the Afrobeat. Afrobeat volume 1. Let's find an open hi-hat. Let's use this live one. Like. And now if we want, we can see that we have this pattern right there too. That sound like without this one, and then we have. Sorry, like. With this kind of instrumental, we'll add a lot of transition effects to make it sound more complex, I can say. But what we have here is solid, guys, and I love the fact that I challenge myself to create this instrumental with only 2 chords. I think you can do it too, guys. I'm going to add the email that you need to submit your instrumental in so we can go live together on Sunday, and I will review your instrumental. So yeah, let's have some fun on Sunday. Let me know in the comment section if you love this instrumental, but I know it sounds crazy fire. I think I may go do some little arrangements so you can listen in context, guys, and yeah, hope you love it.